We've known for a long time that machines can beat humans at chess. AI has even crushed the grandmasters at the much more complicated and ancient game of Go, and now we're being told that AI is coming for mathematics. We're reading headlines like AI solves 100-year-old maths problem. Sounds impressive, right? But what's the truth behind the headlines? I'm a professor of maths at the University of Bath in the UK, and I've been talking to my colleagues about where we currently are with maths and AI and what the future looks like. Here's what I found out. AI can now solve international mathematical Olympiad problems. That's a tournament to which only the best and brightest high school mathematics students are invited. It sounds pretty impressive, right? But is it anywhere near research level mathematics? In fact, that's a whole different game. But AI has helped to spot deep connections in mathematical fields like topology, mathematical connections that probably human mathematicians might not have spotted on their own. But the AI can't prove its own theorems yet, not research level theorems. There are just too many steps and the AI just isn't precise enough yet. So at the moment, the humans are doing a lot of the heavy lifting. The real change that many of my mathematician colleagues foresee isn't that they're going to be replaced wholesale by AI, but more that AI is going to become a helpful collaborator. AI is already helping to open doors into areas that mathematicians might never have explored alone, generating new ideas and building new connections. But it isn't yet the all-singing, all-dancing mathematician replacement that the tech companies might have us believe. Not yet, anyway. So is AI all hype, or is it a genuine revolution? Let us know what you think in the comments and check out livescience.com for more.